Hello everyone. I have decided to change things around on this channel. I suspect my long videos are not terribly popular, and I looked at YouTube the other day and saw that my subscribers in the last month have dropped off by 40, well actually 42, and that is really disheartening, and I need to take things into account. I need to step up to the plate or bow out. I need to change things, otherwise gradually this channel will dwindle down to nothing and Jack and Lily won't be earning any money. So with that, I'm going to start making my new videos fewer than 15 minutes long, in the hopes that they will better serve those people around like me who suffer with attention span deficit, as Katie calls it. I have an attention span deficit. I suspect I'm a little bit ADHD, but I say quirky, as you know, and I don't have a long attention span. Although I do watch longer videos than mine, and I do stick to the end, especially if they're people I'm subscribed to. So, you know, I do that. But I can appreciate those of you that think, oh Imogen, do hurry up, do get on with it, get a move on. I just find it difficult to talk quickly. So what I'm going to do is talk at my normal speed, but just make the video a shorter one. Around 12 to 15 minutes. I looked it up on YouTube and they say that the sweet spot is between 12 and 15 minutes long. So I'm going to do that. The other thing is that given my subscribers have dropped massively in the last month when, you know, I was suffering from burnout, I need to get a wriggle on and hopefully get more subscribers. I watch so many channels go from strength to strength, and this channel has somewhat stalled and probably gone backwards a little bit, but I'm on it. I'm going to do something about it. Now, a few months ago, I decided that I would no longer ask for subscribers because I felt it was an imposition. I thought it was boring for people to listen to creators ask for them to subscribe. But now I realise that if I don't ask, I won't get. And people, lovely as you are, genuinely don't think I need subscribers. But unfortunately, I do. And it's really disheartening when you see them dropping. If I didn't rationalise it with, well, I think that YouTube is culling my subscribers quite deliberately if they haven't caught up on my videos. I prefer to think of it that way rather than you've all got bored with me. So I've been thinking that, and actually they do. YouTube does actually cull people's subscribers when they haven't tuned into your channel in ages. So that could be it. So I try not to take it too personally. But nevertheless, I do need to get on with this YouTube channel and make it the best that I can for all you lovely people. And I think making a shorter video will help. And perhaps, given that it costs absolutely nothing to subscribe, that would help too if you would do that for me. You don't have to, but it would really help me. That said, I'm going to do a series of YouTube videos where I'm talking about women and heart attacks. Well, heart disease really. I never knew that it was such a massive problem. I'm just shocked. I went on to the British Heart Foundation's website last week and I was listening to a podcast called The Ticker Tapes, and I'll put a link to it in the description below. And the lady was interviewing 3 women who had had a heart attack, and it was quite emotional. It was terribly sad and very emotional, in fact, and you could see they were all traumatized because of it. Now, I'm astonished that in this day and age we can be so unaware of what, as women, the symptoms of a heart attack are. So hopefully one day, if you're having what might be a heart attack, you'll think back onto one of those videos and think, gosh, I remember watching one of Imogen's videos and that woman was having a heart attack and I've got the same symptoms. And then you'll know what to do, because on the worst day of your life, you really, really don't want to be found not knowing what you need to do. You'll need to fight for your own treatment, and you're best to be well prepared, as I am now. Anyway, I do hope you don't mind me asking for people to subscribe, and I hope you'll enjoy the new shorter form of me. And although I'm not speaking quickly, I will finish the video much quicker, which will be a relief to you all. Please leave a comment if you'd like to see longer videos as well as shorter videos, or whether you prefer the shorter format totally, and then I'll know what to do. After all said and done, this is your channel as well as mine, and there would be no point in me being here just talking to the ether if nobody was watching. So that's one thing. And please watch the next few videos, because I have listed out their symptoms and how they found out about their heart attacks in bullet form. And so I'm going to read them off a list whilst I record. This is to ensure that I get all their information accurate and I don't wander off topic, which I'm liable to do, as you know. So when those videos come out, I do hope you find them of benefit. And if you have been, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.